Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make PDF format easy method. Start by opening your document and selecting Export or Save as, then choose PDF as the format. Adjust settings like image quality and embedded fonts so the file looks right on any device. Name the file clearly, select Folder, and click Save or Export. Check the resulting PDF by opening it in a viewer to confirm layout, links, and readable text. To make a PDF using Print to PDF, open the document and pick Print, then choose a PDF printer option. Set page range, orientation, margins, and scaling so content fits correctly on each page. Preview before printing to avoid wasted steps. Click Print, then type a file name and pick a folder to save. Open the saved file to confirm pages, images, and text preserved formatting, and that hyperlinks work as expected. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more viewers find it. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle during long editing sessions. It keeps you refreshed while you convert files. I've placed the link and other deals in the description so you can check them out after watching. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Creating a PDF from images or scans is simple and fast with a scanner app or your camera. Capture each page clearly, crop edges, and order pages before exporting as a single PDF. Use a merge tool to combine separate images into one document and adjust compression to reduce file size without losing too much quality. Save with a descriptive file name and open the file to ensure every page is readable and correctly oriented.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.